HEBO, Haptic Evaluation Board. In this video, we are going to show you how to work with HEBO and how you can take advantage of it for your haptic feedback design. Start your haptic design by plugging in the USB power supply to the HEBO. The HEBO consists of a simple plug-and-play solution, which results in a deeper testing method and rapid prototyping. Plug in the actuator you want to test and mount it to your desired surface. The HEBO allows for changeable haptic parameters, where it is possible to change the parameters of voltage, frequency, duration, and the number of loops. Then click Set and Trigger to play a desired haptic signal. The HEBO offers the possibility of changing haptic parameters on 4 different actuators, individually or simultaneously. The HEBO comes with the possibility to add external trigger input, which allows for an easy connection to either an in-house prototyping or different switches. The HEBO provides an easy solution to generate your optimal haptic signals by controlling electromagnetic actuators. It consists of a software that displays a graphical user interface and offers the ability to test haptic vibration patterns on any given surface using up to 4 different actuators. Furthermore, with the HEBO, you can save your haptic settings to a preset, allowing you to quickly change to your preferred settings. The HEBO also allows you to set up and integrate haptics to any prototype without any advanced software knowledge. HEBO, a new method of developing.